Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can join the CapCut Pro or what you need to do to get the CapCut Pro feature on your mobile. So here, I've already opened the CapCut apps, and what you need to do is just click on the Pro button at the top. This one, you can see there's a Pro tags in here, so just click on that. After you click that, you'll be directed to the CapCut Pro page. Here you just need to click on one of the splines. So these are there are three options at least in my country. You can subscribe or join the CapCut Pro monthly here, or you can also join it only for 1 month, and you can also join it annually like this. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your need the best. For example, I'm going to just use it for only 1 month. Then click on the purchase button here. Okay, just wait. Then CapCut will ask you to pay for it. You can just proceed with the payment. So you can choose the payment method in here. So just click on that. There are so many payment methods that you can choose. You can also use your credit or debit card, or you can also use your Google Play balance. And after that, you can just click on this blue button to proceed with the payment, and after that your CapCut will be changed into a CapCut Pro. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.